So we start off today's video with this long to Pixie transformation. Wow. Gorgeous orange copper pixie style. Oh, this is breathtaking. Very nice. I love the cuts, the color, everything about this style is just stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some hot pixie haircut ideas. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair into a pixie and you're in need of some major inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the stylist is adding that powder to the hair to create some volume. And this is another gorgeous classic pixie style. Kind of reminds you of like the 90s inspired pixies that we used to see. Very pretty. Lots of height, lots of volume. Then we have a blonde pixie hair change. Followed by this platinum pixie makeover. So it looks like she is in for a cut refresh. Now the color with this pixie is gorgeous, and I can't wait to see what the stylist ends up doing with the shape. Ooh, very nice face framing bangs was added, and she did a bit of a choppy layered look there going at the top. Very nice. Honestly, I think she looks good both ways. I think what really captivates the style for me is definitely the color. Next up, we see someone switch it from a bob to this gorgeous pixie. This one features an asymmetrical shape, lots of curls, lots of volume, and the color features a stunning ombre mix. Very pretty. And then we once again see someone switch it up from a bob to a pixie style. Gorgeous. She ended up getting like this shaggy pixie cut. Lots of volume and texture within this. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.